So you've heard of work smarter, not harder. How about relax and grow green? That sounds great, right? How about just relaxing and watching income just flow into your studio, watching students just come into your studio and enjoying it and having a great time? That sounds pretty awesome. So, we have done all of the work for you. We have created everything and we are ready to hand it over to you guys so that all you have to do is sit back and relax and grow green. All right, let's go over a few of the numbers here. Are you guys okay if we talk about what exactly it entails to have one of our curriculum in your studio? If you're okay with that, awesome. I appreciate that. Okay, so to have a studio license, you are going to receive all of the teaching materials. You're going to receive all of the student materials, all of what we have called our teacher instruction portal, which houses lots of videos and lots of written instructions as well. We have a teacher training seminars. We have all of the rights to the Let's Play Music logos and trademarks. There is a student app use fee of $2 per student and a protected 30-mile radius, which is very priceless. So if you added all of these things up, it's about a $32.50 value, and you are only going to be paying $19.99. So per curriculum. So if you were to have the Sound Beginnings curriculum, it would be $19.99. It will include all of these things for the Sound Beginnings program, the Sound Beginnings materials, student materials, videos, things like that. Same thing for the Let's Play Music license, $19.99. You would get all of the Let's Play Music, all 3 years of materials for teachers and for students, all the videos, training seminars, all of that for Let's Play Music. Same thing for Presto. Everything would be included. So like I said, it's very simple to use. It's nicely packaged so that all we have to do is have us train your teachers and have your teachers start teaching using these materials. So $19.99 is a fantastic deal. So amazing. There's also an option to add on a couple of additional services that we're going to get to. But when I say everything you need, this is what I'm saying. Everything you need. So teaching materials look like this up here on your screen, and student materials are also there. Plus, we haven't even showed you the hundreds of videos that we have to help teachers identify activities and how to execute those activities each lesson. We also have training seminars that are included, all of the logos, like I said. So when we say everything you need, it really truly is everything that you need in a nice, easy package that is very easy to get started, and it can already work with whatever system that you have. So some additional services that we offer, if you want to add those on, we can customize your package for you and make it exactly what you want, are a student management system where you can post class times, you can track enrollments, you can gather parent and student contact information, and it's a system for you to help communicate with parents that are enrolled in the classes. We also offer a website listing. So your studio can be searchable by a zip code on our Find a Teacher page on our Let's Play Music website. It includes your studio location, a studio email, your studio website link, and a bio of your studio or your teachers. Whatever you would like to put on your website listing, it can be customized for you as well. We also offer a teacher certification, which I think is probably the best add-on package that you could possibly do to invest in your teachers to make your studio thrive and grow and create that culture that you're looking for. So our teacher certification program is where your teacher would record a video of them teaching the class, and then they would submit that video to the Let's Play Music training teams. I'm part of one of those training teams where we watch the video, we mentor, we coach, and then we certify that teacher in that curriculum for that year. So if you want to have your teachers, if you really don't want to worry about needing to train your teachers and you want to make sure the quality of the teaching is there and the certification process is the best bang for your buck to do that. So I highly recommend adding that on to your package. To certify for, have a teacher certify for the Let's Play Music and the Presto programs, it's $3.99 per teacher. If you decide that you want the plus, it's still $3.99 per teacher, but with the pro, it's included. We wanted to have you have the experience to have 2 teachers for Let's Play Music Presto or 4 teachers for Sound Beginnings programs. So highly recommend having your teacher certified by us. That way you don't have to worry about it. Again, because you can sit back and relax and grow green. That's if you can sign a license here really quickly. I'm only going to give you a couple weeks to think about this. If you have if you can get your studio license signed in the next couple of weeks, we're going to give you $500 off of the pro license. So instead of that $49.99, we're going to take that down to about $44.99. So lovely, lovely. That's for the pro license, which already includes the certification process, like I mentioned. So you would get 2 either Let's Play Music or Presto teachers certified and 4 Sound Beginnings teachers certified under that pro license. It's a smoking deal. I highly recommend it. Also, if you have 6 teachers that you would like to train, we would love to come and train them in person for you. So if that is something that you're interested in, you've got 6 or more teachers, we would happily come so that we can train them in person so they can feel the magic of the Let's Play Music curriculum and the energy, because we all know attending a live concert is better than watching it on TV. It's kind of the same experience. We want to make sure that your teachers are trained in the very best way and they can feed off each other and have that great energy in our trainings. We also want to make sure that you invest in your teachers. So if you want us to certify them for each of the curriculum, that's an amazing fee that's already included in that pro license. So I highly recommend it. Again, we are happy to watch your teachers teach and ensure that the quality is there so that you don't have to know the curriculum. You don't have to really invest that much time into it. We can do all of that for you. Basically, that extra $500 off would cover an additional teacher to be certified with you. So happy to do it. Would love to have you sign that pro license agreement so that you can have everything included into one night niece tidy package, but we're also able to customize it if that's what you would desire as well. So again, here's that QR code. Here's the phone number and our email if you have some more questions. Definitely love to chat with you.